The hydrologic cycle. Presentation created by Miss Little. The hydrologic cycle begins with the sun. The sun is the source of energy that keeps the cycle moving. Since the hydrologic cycle is continuous, it has no beginning and no end. For teaching purposes, let's start in the clouds. When warm air rises, it expands and cools. Cool air can't hold as much water vapor as warm air, so some of the vapor condenses onto tiny pieces of dust that are floating in the air and forms a tiny droplet around each particle. When billions of these droplets come together, they become a visible cloud. The droplets in clouds move rapidly and bang together to form larger droplets. When the droplets get heavy, they fall because of gravity. Water falling is called precipitation. Precipitation can take different forms, such as rain, snow, hail, and sleet. Precipitation can land on the surface of the earth, in rivers, lakes, or the ocean. When it lands on the surface of the earth, it can be absorbed and filtered into the earth through the process of percolation. Percolation occurs when rainfall is absorbed by soil and travels to the ocean. When precipitation does not go through percolation but lands on the surface of the earth, it becomes runoff. Water that went through percolation travels on as groundwater to streams, rivers, lakes, and eventually the ocean. Surface water travels on the surface of the earth to feed into streams, rivers, lakes, and the ocean. Water molecules then escape the surface of the earth and enter into the atmosphere through the process of evaporation. When evaporation occurs, water changes from a liquid to a gas. It's caused by heat. Water molecules can evaporate from any body of water on Earth and also from plants. Plant evaporation is called transpiration. Once water either evaporates or transpirates, the cycle begins again with condensation.